Thank you very much. That is my last song, and thank you for listening. If you like the music, feel free to come buy an album and throw something in the case if you feel like it. You can do the same thing with the QR code if you don't have cash. But apart from that, I'll vote with them. Cheers. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What country is this?
We are not law breakers.
Okay.
We are Biafrans.
Don't worry. This
We
is
are
for good cause.
We are Biafrans from the old, Nigeria.
Old Nigeria.
Yeah, Nigeria is a zoo.
Okay.
It is a zoo, if you understand what I mean. Maybe you will not get my English, language. Zoo means animal kingdom.
Okay.
Where the higher animal,
Okay.
the higher animal dominates, the lower animal.
All right.
Where the lions, where the tigers dominate the birds, because the lions, the tigers are carnivorous. They will eat, the birds to make their living, going. This is where we are.
No problem.
I'm happy you're taking, this interview, today. But I want you, to put it in a record.
Yeah, that will be.
Yeah, record, from.
That's on the YouTube. Will be.
Very good. Yeah, record, from an enlightened, citizen.
No problem.
Why are we getting educated? We get educated, to say the truth. And in this world, wherever you are, Asia, Africa, China, the Saudi Arabia, the Colombians, that's what they call it, the Brazilians, the Argentinians. Wherever you are, what makes you a simple individual, a living individual, is the truth.
Okay.
The truth.
That's true. Yeah.
Now, the story is this. I have to, tell it, to the world, because I believe, this is the world, this is YouTube. The story is this. Just like the animals, live.
Yeah.
Just like the humans, live. The world, today, I'm looking at your face. I'm looking at, at the faces, of people around us. To me, you look at an Indian or an Asian. The world, today is the world, of the survival of the fittest. Those who do it, well, live, at the expense, of the others. Now, what I'm trying, to tell you this in the bottom line is the most developed, world. How do you call them?